Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
What if the future of our cities wasn't planned, but generated? Imagine an AI that designs entire neighborhoods, balancing sunlight, traffic flow, green cover, and even social well-being, better than any human could. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. And it's called Generative GeoAI. By 2050, nearly 68% of the world's population will live in cities. That's over 6.5 billion people demanding housing, water, power, and mobility. But here's the problem. Our cities weren't built to scale like this. Traffic congestion costs the world $1 trillion every year. Urban heat islands make cities up to 5 degrees Celsius hotter than rural areas. And traditional planning methods? They're slow, reactive, and stuck in silos. We need a new brain for our cities, one that can think spatially and act intelligently. That's where GeoAI comes in, a fusion of geographic information systems and artificial intelligence. It's not just mapping data, it's understanding it. GeoAI learns from layers of urban information, roads, rivers, zoning laws, population patterns, and predicts how cities evolve. But the real game changer, when GeoAI meets generative AI, the AI that doesn't just analyze, it creates. Generative AI can simulate millions of urban designs in seconds, and pick the one that maximizes walkability, sunlight, and green space. It can evolve entire city layouts based on your goals, from reducing commute times to optimizing energy grids. Imagine typing, "Design a 100,000-person city with net zero emissions and maximum shade coverage," and within moments, watching the AI generate it. This is the ChatGPT moment for urban planning. But GeoAI doesn't stop at design, it simulates how those cities would actually function, before they're even built. Using physics-based and data-driven models, it predicts traffic bottlenecks before roads exist, water scarcity decades ahead, energy demand peaks, based on climate models.
It's like
running the future and fast forward. So we can fix tomorrow's problems today. This doesn't replace urban planners, it upgrades them. Planners become AI co-creators, guiding algorithms, setting goals, and ensuring designs serve real people. Imagine communities giving live feedback through immersive 3D models. What if we added a park here? How would traffic change if this road was one way? AI updates instantly. Urban planning becomes a living, breathing dialogue between citizens, experts, and intelligent systems. But it also raises questions. Who owns the generated city? Whose bias does the AI learn from? And can we trust an algorithm to shape how we live? Here's the truth. The cities of tomorrow won't just be smart, they'll be self-improving. Every sensor, satellite, and system feeding GeoAI will help cities learn, evolve, adapt, and you can be part of it. Whether you're a GIS professional, a data scientist, or an AI enthusiast, you're standing at the dawn of a new discipline. Start exploring GeoAI tools, from Esri's Urban Modeler to Google's Environmental Insights Explorer, or build your own prototype, because the next great city might not come from a government office, but from your laptop. Cities once told our history, now they'll generate our future. The question is, will you help design it, or just live in it?
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.